Module 5, Searching and Sorting Data in MySQL. Section 19, Searching Data using like operator. So in this tutorial, guys, you will be learning how to use MySQL like operator to query data based on specified pattern with the help of wildcard characters, right? So we in SQL we have two type of wildcard characters. One is percentage and underscore. So today you will be learning how to make various search pattern using these wildcard characters, percentage and underscore. So percentage, uh, for when we use percentage, it can replace any number of characters, any number of characters, and when you use underscore in the pattern, it replaces only, it meant for a single character. Okay, so this is the meaning of these wildcard characters. So we will understand usage of these wildcard characters uh, with the help of below example. So let's suppose we have five searching requirement. First is search those employees whose first name starts with A, with the character A, and followed by any number of characters. That means in result, in output, I want such kind of result, like in first name Amit could be there, Alka could be there, who's those employees whose name starts with alphabet A. So let's solve this requirement in MySQL directly on employee database. So I am using the same employee database, right? So let me show you the record present in the employee database. Select star from uh, table name is employee details, right? So let's check the existing records in this table. Okay, so this table contains 14 records, and out of that I want only those names whose first name starts with alphabet A. Okay, so let's suppose I want to search only emp number. So filter emp number, first name, first name, comma, a last name. Okay, from which table? Employee details, employee details, where and which, for which column we want to search the pattern, first name. So here I will specify first name. This is the syntax. Then after that I will give the pattern. So where first name, then I will give like, then within quotes I will specify the pattern. So my first name should starts with A, then after that there could be any number of characters like this, and after that semicolon. So this is the syntax of the uh, using like command with keyword, with use wildcard characters. Okay, so let's run this query and see. So it's showing only those records whose, sorry, here it's considering last name as aliases. So let me put comma over here. Now let's execute this query again. So it's searching only those records which have alphabet A in the first name. So there are three records which have alphabet A in the first name. So I have solved the first requirement. Okay, so next, what is the second requirement? Second requirement is search those first name and with the character A and are prefixed by any number of characters. That means I want to search, this time I want to search those records which ends with alphabet A. Okay, so let's solve this in MySQL workbench. So this time I want, let me copy this query. Okay, and this time my condition is first name should end with A. So I won't put percentage wildcard at the end. I will put percentage wildcard at the beginning. Means in beginning there could be any number of characters and they can start with anything, but last character always should be A. So let's run this query. See, these are the names which have A in the last Okay, for first name column, so it's filtering out correct result. So I have solved second requirement as well. Now third requirement, in third requirement, I want to search those employee whose last name contain ing in the middle. Okay, so like sing. Okay, so this have ing in the middle, so I want to search those names. Okay, so this time, since I want to search the uh, pattern in the middle, so I will use two percentage symbols. Okay, one at the beginning and another at the end, and in the middle I will specify the searching pattern. Okay, so this time I want to search for last name, so I will change here column name as last name. Okay, so this is my query. Okay, let me see. So let's run this query and execute it. So this time it's searching only those records which have ing in the middle of the last name. So uh, our third requirement is also resolved. Let's see what's the fourth requirement. In fourth requirement, I want to find those record whose last name is of 5 characters and start with si and end with gh. Okay, so here I am specifying, I need to check that first beginning two characters are si and end of ending two character are gh, and name should be a 5 character. So this time the middle character could be anything. So for that I can't use percentage because percentage replaces all the characters. So this time I will take the help of underscores. So let's write the query using underscores. Okay, I'm copying this. Okay, and this now my condition is first name should start, last name should start with si, and in middle there could be any character, and but in end there should be gh. Okay, so this time it will replace only one character. We are not using percentage, we are using uh, underscore. Okay, let's check this. See, so it's filtering out only those records whose last name whose last name start with si and end with gs. So this is how we can use underscore character. Okay, right. Next is next requirement is uh, I want to search those employees whose first name do not start with character A and are followed by any number of characters. That means except A alphabet name, I want to uh, filter out all the records. So it is the reverse of first requirement where we want to filter out only those records which starts with A. Now this time I want to filter out those records in requirement 5 which do not starts with A. So here we are going to make use of not operator. Okay, so let me write this query. Let me copy first query, that is select star for this. Okay, now only little changes I need to make in this query, that is first name where first name not like. So here I will use not operator. Okay, so let's execute this. So this time except alphabet A names is filtering out all those records whose first name do not start with A. Okay, so you can use make searching based on not operator as well. Okay, so you can use not and like operator together. So this is my fifth requirement. Now my sixth requirement is to find all those employees whose first name contain underscore. Okay, suppose by mistake someone enter name like this, or sometimes we have requirement that uh, like there is a product code like this p underscore 001 like this. Okay, and we have sometime we have 20%. So here you can see that at the end there are percentage and underscore symbol. So we want to search a pattern like this way which have where percentage or underscore. but these are our wildcard characters. So for in order to check for these particular characters, we need to take help of escape character. So let's suppose, let's understand this escape character with the help of this underscore. Okay, let's suppose, let's come back to this employee detail table. Let me check the record. In this table you can see there are few records which have underscore in the name. So I want to filter out those records, right? So how to do that? Okay, let me copy this query, right? And here I want to search which have underscore. So you will say that we can do it like this: percentage underscore percentage, right? If I use like this, then it will won't show me correct result. Why? Because underscore is our wildcard character. So let's execute this. Let's see, it's filtering out all the records, but my requirement is I want to filter only these records. Basically I want to check for this underscore, and at beginning or end there could be anything. So I want to escape this underscore character. So this time I need to take help of escape character. So backslash by default in SQL is considered as escape character. This is backslash. So this means whatever character I use with backslash, after backslash, will be considered as literal. No, this will won't be considered as wildcard character. Whereas the percent underscore is the wildcard character, but if you put backslash before that, it will be considered as literal. Let's check this, execute this query. So see, it's filtering out these three records which have underscore in their name. Same thing you can do by another way. There is two ways by which you can escape the wildcard characters. So another way is you can use dollar instead of backslash, but this time you need to specify escape. Within quotes you will write dollar. So this means whatever you have given after dollar, that will be considered as literal, not as wildcard character. But backslash, for with backslash you need not to use escape keyword, but if you use dollar, then you need to use escape keyword. Let's run this. See, so both have same result. So this is all about this session. And in this section 19, basically you learn uh, the uses of like operator with the help of various wildcard characters, percentage, underscore, and then you learn not operator. Okay, then you learn usage of escape character, escape, escape, and dollar. Both are used to escape, and backslash both are used to escape the wildcard character. So you practice these, and if you have any doubt, you can message me and I will try to solve your queries. Thank you. Bye bye.